If you are a complete beginner and you don't know how to start online, this video will change that. I will show you step by step how to build your first small online business right now. You don't need a website, you don't need to write blog posts, you don't need to go on camera, and you don't need money. It's totally free, so you don't have any excuse. I started doing this business with 8 super tools back in 2020, and it makes around $3,500 a month and still works till today. It works every single time you do it correctly. And this is why I created this video for you. Back then, it took me around 7 months to launch my website. Today, with the tools and AI, you will see we can do this in 1 minute. I'm not kidding, it's literally 1 minute, and you will see this live in this video. This video is specifically for beginners who keeps asking me where to start, how to start, what to do online, what's my first step, and such questions. You don't need a super idea, you don't need coding skills, you don't need money, you just need to get something small online, and you will do it right now. Let's first understand the basics of building any online tool. In general, any web application has a front end and a back end. For example, if you go here to Toolbox, my website, this is the keyword research tool. Everything you see here in the browser is called the front end. This is where the user interacts with the web application. And we have the back end where we put our application on a server. We need to pay for hosting, manage security, performance, and much more. So simply, we have a front end and we have a back end. In our approach, we will build fully functional web applications and tools using only the front end. And with AI, which makes this approach totally free, super fast, and super simple, as you will see right now. Okay, let's now move to the front end and see what it consists of. Simply, any web page you see online, let's say Tube Digest. Click here on View Page Source. You will see this code behind. So this is the code of this web page here. And any web page consists of 3 main elements, or 3 main languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I built this simple demo to help you understand the concept super fast in seconds. So this is the web page we have. Okay, a sample web page. If we turn off HTML, you will see we have no content. So HTML is what makes the web page content. Let's turn it on. Then, if we turn the CSS off, you will see now we have no styling. So CSS is what styles the page. Give it the colors and all these styles. Let's turn it on again. And now, if we go here and start clicking on any of these buttons, transform me, you will see we have an action. We have an interaction with the page. So this is where JavaScript comes in. If we turn it off, now we can't click on anything. So JavaScript is disabled. We can't interact with the page. So we have HTML, the page content, we have CSS, the styling, and we have JavaScript for the behavior or interaction with the web page. You don't have to learn these languages in this video. We will develop everything with AI in minutes, as you will see right now. So now we understood any web application has a front end and a back end. We will not use the back end in our case, and the front end consists of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now we are ready to build our first online tool. Okay, before I jump to the challenge of building a full online tool in 1 minute, let me show you what I built yesterday in less than 1 hour. This free online web tools website. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools. Let's test this. We have here a QR code generator. Let's say here HTTPS, the Learn with Hassan, my website, for example, and set a customization, whatever, generate, and you will see we got the QR code. If I go now to my mobile, I will open the camera and go here. I will open the URL and you will see open my website directly. So it's a fully functional QR code generator I built just in minutes. Another application, JPEG compressor, image compressor. Let's open an image, this one, and compress, and you will see smaller 14%. A fully functional image compressor directly in the front end, a fully functional online tool. Another one is the email extractor. Let's load the sample text, extract emails, and we got the emails from this text. It can be from a website or whatever file you want to upload here. Even we have the color palette tool. You can get an image, any image you want, like this one, and then extract colors and get the color palette out of this image. So these are real tools people will use on a daily basis, and you are providing for free with this front-end only website. No back-end, no security, no worries about hosting costs. It's totally free and it's fully functional tools. And you can see here I also put spaces for ads, so you can sell ad spaces. And I will show you another two methods you can use these websites to make money and monetize at the end of this video, after we build our tool right now. Okay, it's time to build the tool. Let's start. So you can use any AI tool you want. We have Claude, we have ChatGPT, we have Kimi AI, we have Bolt, we have Lovable. Any tool you want, and all of this can be used for free. So I will go here to Claude and enter this simple prompt, and don't worry about the prompts now. I will give it to you by the end of this video. Just follow up and understand the concept. So I'm building here a meeting cost calculator with single HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, only vanilla, no backend. Vanilla here means without using any libraries, just use JavaScript, pure CSS, pure HTML. So let's run it. I will use also ChatGPT to see what we get. Let's go with Bolt also, run and Lovable. So let's see, generating the codes. We will wait a little bit. And boom, here we have Claude and we got the meeting cost calculator. Let's see if we added 8 and it's updating. If we had here 80 minutes and we get this message in case we exceed $500. And we have here live meeting cost ticker. Nice. Let's go to ChatGPT. We can't see the results directly, so let's copy the code and just create a new text file. I will call it tool and remove.txt and say HTML. Yes, and just open with any editor, for example, Notepad again, and paste here, save the code, and let's open it. And perfect, we got this meeting cost calculator. I love this, it's better than Claude. Again, let's change the numbers, let's start the live timer. It's a fully functional tool. Perfect. Let's see what Lovable created. Nice. Let's again change this. 7. Perfect. Again, I love ChatGPT one more. So this is how we can build the tool directly with AI in a couple of seconds. As I mentioned, I will give you the prompts with different examples so you can build any tool you want. But now let's see how we can get this tool live with free hosting. Again, if you want to use this one, if you like the Claude version, for example, you can click on code here and copy the code. In the same way, you can create a new file and say, for example, test2 anything, HTML, and then edit with Notepad, save, and we get the file locally, and the tool is working locally on our PC. So let's host it. I will go here to Netlify. You will see now in a couple of seconds, you will get the application live online, and you can share it with anyone in the world for free. So sign up for a free account. If you don't have one, I have one already. I will log in. I will click on add a new project, deploy manually. I will go back now to my desktop. I will create a new folder. I will call it, for example, tool anything, and just drag and drop the tool you want and make sure to rename it to index.html. That's it. Now go back to Netlify and simply browse and select the folder, upload, just wait a couple of seconds, and boom, we have the application up and running online. Let's open it, and we have the tool up and running. You can see you can share this URL with anyone, and you have totally free hosting. You can handle 100,000 users a month with this hosting. And if you have a couple of bucks, connect a real domain, you can simply go here and connect your domain. Just enter it here and verify, and you have your own domain with your tool. By the way, I will leave the links to this URL and the second project I built, this one, so you can play with the tools I built. They will also give you the codes of all these tools I created, so you can use them with the prompts to build any tool you want. You'll get everything mentioned in a few seconds. Listen, before I show you the second two methods to make money off such simple websites, I want to tell you something. Every successful website starts with an ugly, embarrassing version first. Look at each super tools again. It's very basic, very simple, and this is how it started. Look now at Toolbox. It's very professional. That's normal. This embarrassing design got me my first visitor, other than my mother and my friends. Then the first 100, then the first 1,000, and started making money out of this website. You are not just building a tool here, you are building confidence and experience. You are proving to yourself that you can create something from nothing and you don't have any excuse. Instead of just wasting time on your mobile today for 1 hour, just go and try this and do something online. I know you will see a lot of negative thoughts in the comments, like any video on YouTube. Don't listen to these negative thoughts. Build this tool today, publish it online, go to Reddit or Twitter, share it publicly, get negative and positive feedback, share your story, and you'll see like in 1 month, even if this project fails, this will be the best experience you did in your life. This will be life-changing. The experience you will learn, the feedback you will get, the technical skills you will learn, all this will be the start point to your next successful project. I failed 6 times before I launched Each Educate back in 2017. I'm not being dramatic here. I really failed with 2 websites, 2 Facebook pages, and 2 YouTube channels before my first success with my first website. That's normal. This is how life works. But today, with the tools available, you don't have to wait for years. In a couple of months, you can make something successful online. Now, coming back to our website, let me share with you quickly some other ways to monetize and make money off this website. So the first way is to sell ad spaces. The second way I shared like 2 weeks ago in a video, where you can build these tools or this UI as a front end to a no-code AI system. For example, this one is for brand tracking on LLMs. If you click on fetch data, you'll see here we are reading data from somewhere. This somewhere is a no-code make system. I will leave the video link in the description. You can watch it after this video if you want. So you can use and sell automation systems with an interface by building these simple tools. The second way is using these tools as a growth hack. Building online tools related to your niche is one of the best methods to get traffic to your website. Publishing these as free tools will get traction, especially if you are solving a problem for a specific audience in your niche. So you can use them to grab and get traffic to your premium product. Additionally, you can also use these tools websites as a lead magnet to build your email list. For example, if I go here to my Kit dashboard to grow, to landing pages and forms, create a new form, anything form now just for the sake of the example. And here you will see embed button. We have a simple script you can copy and embed directly without the need of backend or anything, or we have it in HTML. You see here, we can get this and directly embed in our tools website. So you can collect emails also in this front end only type website. You can even use servers like Buy Me a Coffee to add a widget to your website so you can collect donations. You know, donations is one of the methods used to monetize any website online or any service. So you can go here to integrations or buttons, and you will see here we have this kind of website widget you can generate again, and you will see that you will get a simple JavaScript again where you can copy and paste inside your website directly to get it. Let me show you this. I will copy it, go again to your index page, it with Notepad, and just here drop the script, save it. And now if you open the website, you will see we got the Buy Me a Coffee widget so people can pay and donate you directly on the website without a backend, without anything. You can collect emails, get donations, add spaces, and grow with traffic with these simple websites. Okay, now after you build this tool and you get this experience and skills and host it online and publish it and get your first feedback and users, the next step is to learn how to scale and build an online business with a backend. And the easiest way to do so is using WordPress. It has everything ready, so it's the easiest and fastest way to build a fully functional web application on top of WordPress. I explained all this step by step in this video here. I'm so excited to see what you build. Don't forget to share it in the comments below.